In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Remove BG Figma plugin. It's a super easy process and you'll be ready to enhance your design work in no time. Let's dive right in and get started, shall we? First, we begin by navigating to Figma. As many of you already know, Figma is a phenomenal collaborative interface design tool that's widely appreciated for its seamless user experience. Once you're at the Figma homepage, it's time to log in. Logging in is straightforward. Simply click on Login at the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials. If you've opted for social media login or have a saved password, it might be even quicker for you. Now that you're logged in, go to your home page. Here, you can access all your recent works, drafts, and shared files. It's like your workspace dashboard where everything is organized. Once you're at home, your next step is to navigate to the Design section. Click on Design. This area is where the magic really happens. From crafting new projects to refining ongoing tasks, it's all right here. With design mode open, direct your attention to the Action tab. Clicking on Action is your gateway to accessing and managing plugins, among other functionalities. Once in the Action zone, it's time to search for our star of the show, the Background Remover. In the search bar, simply type in Background Remover. The search is crucial since Figma houses a plethora of useful plugins, and finding the right one quickly can help save you a lot of time and effort. Once the Background Remover plugin appears in your search results, go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt the plugin to open or ask you to install it if you haven't done so already. Follow any prompts to ensure it's installed correctly. With just a few clicks, you've now enabled Figma to effortlessly remove backgrounds from images in your projects. This can significantly enhance your design workflow, especially when you want to isolate elements or reduce clutter in your designs. Remember, removing backgrounds can give your designs a cleaner and more focused look, making individual components pop. This tool is particularly useful for marketing materials, user interface designs, and any time you want that professional edge. And there you have it, with these easy to follow steps, you're now equipped to use the Remove BG plugin with Figma like a pro. That's all for today's simple yet empowering tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it adds a new arrow to your design quiver. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this one. Happy designing and see you in the next video.